All right, Jim, where are we going today?
We're going to a car show. So today we are out in Keller, Texas, at Connor's Car Show.
Yeah, it's the 9th annual car show, and it's really cool. I'll put some information around somewhere on the screen.
So when we go out camping, we always like to find local points of interest and whatnot. Check those out, maybe support the local economy. Well, this time it took us right around the corner from our house, so we're literally 7 miles away. But we were invited to come out by our friend who was showing his new truck that he got.
His new old truck.
Yeah.
But it's an in-town adventure for us this time. But this is really cool. And right now in the springtime, pretty much anywhere you can find a car show to go to, and they're always entertaining.
Yeah, the weather is gorgeous. There's lots of people out doing stuff, and we wanted to take advantage of the weather as well. It's a gorgeous day out here. So we're going to walk around and we'll take you with us, show you what we see. The premise behind this whole show, though, is that it supports Connor's Foundation, raising money for Down syndrome, and it's a blast. They put on a really good show out here.
Birds are waking me up. I never knew how good they're able to sing. Soft, cool bed and pillow talk, while the sunbeam slowly moves and hit the sheets. 3-4 hours of sleep, and my shades can't save me now. The sun is just a preheat for the night that's about to come. But I just lost my phone, and I don't know where to go. My friends are getting stoned, somewhere on a boat. Though I feel alright, by a drifter's side, strangers on the go. That's all I have to know. Worries fade in the light. I hold a warm hand, we dance through the night. Our favorite song is stereo, while the sunbeam slowly turns into stars. 3-4 hours of sleep, and my shades can't save me now. The sun is just a preheat for the night that's about to come. But I just lost my phone.